Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to hide rows in Excel. Very simple and basic way. Just select rows which you want to hide. Now in this cells group, click on Format. Now underneath Visibility you will see Hide and Unhide. So here is the option Hide Rows. That's it. To unhide rows, again click here and here click on Unhide Rows. Similarly, you can hide columns. Select that. Format. Then click on Hide Columns. To unhide, just select Unhide Columns. So this way guys, you can hide rows in Excel. Thanks for watching.